Assalamualaikum friends. Hope you are all well. In today's video, I am going to show you my trading results from the past 18 days. On a $500 account, I made a profit of $437, which is around 125,000 Pakistani rupees. This video contains a very important lesson for you. How to grow a small account using just 0.01 to 0.05 lot size. So make sure to watch the video till the end to fully understand risk and reward as well as money management. In the past 18 days, I opened a total of 192 orders. Out of those, I closed 165 orders in profit and only 27 orders in loss. This is a very good result, achieved without any major losses and without putting my account at risk. My trading results from the past 18 days show that it's possible to turn $500 into $1,000 in just 20 days. This proves that you can achieve 100% growth with just a small amount of risk. In this video, you can see that I used a lot size between 0.01 and 0.05. The biggest lesson for you in this video is how I control myself and use the lot size according to my account size and achieved 100% growth. Tips on money management, trading psychology, and risk and reward will be uploaded on this YouTube channel. All videos coming soon. Make sure to follow the channel and join my WhatsApp group. My WhatsApp group link available in description of this video. Please check the description. I made a profit of $437 on a $500 account using the engulfing strategy. Along with that, I also use trend line. Engulfing theory is a very easy strategy to learn. By using the engulfing theory, you can become a profitable trader. If you want to learn engulfing theory, contact with me. Look my trading result. Use only 0.01 lot to 0.05.